Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the right prerequisites: funds for a level 1 dart monkey and a map choke where it can hit many balloons. Place the monkey now on a tight curve where projectiles cross. Once placed, make sure it is the primary source of early pops. You want consistent contact each round. Do not sell or replace it early because XP only accumulates while the monkey exists. This first placement sets the pace, so prioritize placement over immediate upgrades. Now you refine how the monkey earns XP. Control targeting to ensure it scores the pops you need. If the path groups balloons, choose first. If single high-health balloons pass, choose strongest. Once done, place cheap support towers to funnel balloons into its lane so it consistently lands kills. Make sure the monkey survives rounds without being overshadowed by heavy upgrades too early, because you want incremental XP from many pops rather than a single boost. Finish by timing upgrades to multiply XP rate without replacing the monkey. Buy upgrades that increase pop output once it has gained baseline XP. These accelerate future gains. If you notice XP stalling, check for competing damage sources or poor targeting and reposition slightly between rounds. Once done, make sure not to sell mid-round, that interrupts XP. If problems persist, move the monkey a tile forward or backward to regain line of fire and re-establish steady pop contribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.